computer class. In previous class, you have learned about Tux Paint. This is the practical session. In this class, you will learn Paint tool, Hatch brush tool, Magic tool, Grass effect tool, etc. Whenever you open the Tux Paint, Paint tool is selected by default. It is used to draw freehand images. Let's do the practical. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of the pointer changes from a hand to a paintbrush. Select the brown color from the color palette and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountains. Select blue color and draw a wavy line for river. Now, Hatch brush shape tool. Hatch brush is a unique subtool which has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. So, see student, let's see the practical. First you select the pen tool and from the subtool box select the Hatch tool. Now you draw a few clouds in the sky. Similarly, select green color and draw the trees. Next tool is Magic tool. Magic tool is used to draw and give amazing effect to a picture. When you select the Magic tool, the pointer will changes to a magic wand. Blur magic subtool. The subtool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. See, this is the blur magic tool. Apply it all over the boundary of the mountains. You can use the blur effect as many times as you like. Every time you use this tool, the image will fade a little more than the original one. Again I am applying the blur magic effect. Now shape tool. Shape tool is used to draw different shape in a picture. Like you can draw rectangle, square, circle, ellipse, etc. Suppose you want to draw a hut in your picture. First, we select the triangle for draw a roof of hut. Now select the orange color and choose the square and draw the walls of hut. The last tool is grass effect tool. It is used to give grass effect in a drawing. Let's see. Click on the magic tool and select the grass effect from the subtool box. Select green color from the color palette. Now draw some grass by clicking on the canvas. So students, today's practical over. We will learn some more tools in next video. Till then, bye bye.